Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm all about finding natural, easy, and affordable ways to get that healthy, radiant glow. And today, I have a real treat for you literally. We're going to be talking about a super simple, 2-ingredient face mask that will leave your skin feeling unbelievably smooth and hydrated. The best part? You probably have everything you need in your kitchen right now. We're making a banana and honey face mask. Now, I know what some of you might be thinking. Banana? On my face? But trust me on this. Bananas are not just a delicious and healthy snack. They are a powerhouse of nutrients for your skin. They are packed with potassium, which helps to hydrate and moisturize dry skin. They also contain a wealth of vitamins, including vitamin A, which is known to help fade dark spots and blemishes and smooth out rough skin texture. Then there's vitamin B, which can help protect against free radicals that cause oxidative stress and premature aging. And let's not forget vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that helps rejuvenate the skin and fight damage. So, that humble banana sitting on your counter is basically a multivitamin for your face. And our second magical ingredient is honey. Specifically, I recommend using raw honey if you can get your hands on it, as it retains more of its beneficial properties. Honey is a natural humectant, which means it draws moisture from the air into your skin and ensures it stays there. This provides a lasting, deep hydration that you can really feel. Plus, honey is naturally antibacterial and anti-inflammatory. This makes it fantastic for soothing irritated skin, reducing redness, and even helping to manage breakouts. It's gentle, effective, and has been used in beauty rituals for thousands of years for a good reason. When you combine the nourishing properties of banana with the moisturizing and healing power of honey, you get a dynamic duo that works wonders for achieving that silky smooth complexion we all dream of. So, are you ready to whip up this amazing mask with me? It's so easy. First, you'll need one ripe banana. The riper, the better. You know, the ones with a few brown spots on the peel. Those are perfect because they're softer and easier to mash into a smooth paste. A ripe banana also has higher antioxidant levels, which is a fantastic bonus for our skin. And second, you'll need about 1 tablespoon of honey. Like I said, raw honey is my top choice, but any pure honey will work just fine. And that's it. Just 2 simple ingredients. Okay, let's get to making it. Grab a small bowl and a fork. Peel your ripe banana and place it in the bowl. Now, start mashing it up with the fork. You want to get it as smooth as possible, with no large lumps. Think of the consistency of baby food. The smoother the paste, the easier it will be to apply evenly to your face. Keep mashing until you have a nice, creamy pulp. This should only take a minute or 2. Once your banana is perfectly mashed, go ahead and add your tablespoon of honey into the bowl. Now, mix the honey and banana together thoroughly. You want to combine them until you have a consistent, well-blended paste. The mixture should be thick enough to stick to your face without dripping everywhere, but still smooth enough to spread easily. And there you have it, your all-natural, homemade face mask is ready to go. See how quick and simple that was. Before you apply the mask, it's really important to start with a clean face. So, make sure you've removed all your makeup and gently washed your face with your favorite cleanser. Pat your skin dry with a clean towel. Now, using your clean fingertips or a flat foundation brush if you prefer, start applying the banana and honey mixture to your face. Be careful to avoid the delicate areas around your eyes and mouth. Spread a nice, even layer all over your face, and don't forget your neck. The skin on our neck is often neglected, but it can also benefit greatly from this nourishing treatment. Once you've applied the mask, it's time to relax. This is my favorite part. Find a comfortable spot, maybe put on some calming music or a podcast, and let the mask work its magic for about 15 to 20 minutes. You might feel a slight tightening sensation as the mask begins to dry, which is totally normal. This is a great time to just kick back and take a moment for yourself. Alright, has it been about 15 or 20 minutes? Perfect. It's time to rinse it off. I recommend using lukewarm water. Gently splash the water onto your face and use your fingertips to softly massage the mask away. The banana pulp will wash off quite easily. Avoid using hot water, as it can be drying to the skin. Once you've rinsed everything off completely, gently pat your face dry with a soft, clean towel. Don't rub your skin, just a gentle pat. Now, take a moment to feel your skin. Isn't it amazing? It should feel incredibly soft, hydrated, and look so much brighter. The immediate results are one of the things I love most about this mask. To lock in all that moisture and goodness, follow up with your regular moisturizer. So, who is this mask good for? Honestly, it's fantastic for most skin types. If you have dry skin, the hydrating properties of both the banana and honey will be a lifesaver, helping to replenish moisture and relieve that tight, flaky feeling. If you have dull or tired-looking skin, the vitamins in the banana will help to brighten your complexion and give you a healthy, natural glow. For those with combination or even slightly acne-prone skin, the antibacterial properties of honey can help to calm inflammation and keep your skin clear, while the banana provides gentle nourishment without clogging pores. Of course, as with any new skincare product, even a natural one, it's always a good idea to do a patch test first. Just apply a small amount of the mixture to a discrete area, like your inner arm or behind your ear, and wait for about 24 hours to make sure you don't have any reaction. It's always better to be safe. For best results, I recommend using this mask about once or twice a week as part of your regular skincare routine. Consistency is key when it comes to seeing long-term benefits. Over time, you can expect to see a more even skin tone, improved texture, and a sustained level of hydration that makes your skin look plump and youthful. It's such an affordable and effective way to give yourself a spa-quality treatment right at home. Plus, you have the peace of mind of knowing exactly what you are putting on your skin. No strange chemicals, no unpronounceable ingredients, just pure, natural goodness. It's a simple act of self-care that your skin will thank you for. I really hope you give this banana and honey mask a try. It's one of my absolute go-to remedies for when my skin needs a little pick-me-up. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today and learning about this incredible DIY face mask. I love sharing these simple tips with you all. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give it a big thumbs up. It really helps my channel out. And if you do try the mask, I would love to hear about your experience. Let me know how it worked for you in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of my future videos on natural beauty and wellness. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.